Every painting tells a story, but this one is not mine, it's yours. I can paint the trees, I can paint the light, I can paint the paths, but only you can decide who walked there and why. Hi, I'm Mahia, let's paint it together. As you learned from color theory, blue and red create a beautiful balance. I choose these colors for the tree to bring harmony and contrast to the painting. Every time I share a painting, I share a little piece of myself. That's why even a simple comment can make my whole day. If this painting spoke to you, please let me know.